Did you know you can trim any movie clip directly on macOS without any other apps? Let's trim a video on your Mac using the Quick Action in Finder. It's super easy and takes just a minute. Here's how you can do it. Locate the movie clip and right-click on it. Select Quick Action, then choose Trim. Make sure it's in .mp4 or .mov file, since those work best with this method. A quick look window opens with a yellow trimming bar at the bottom of the video's timeline. Drag the yellow handles on either end to select the part you want to keep. Everything outside the handles gets cut. For precision, click and hold a handle to see individual frames. Once you've got the section you want, hit Done in the top right corner. You'll get two options. Replace overwrites the original file. Careful, you can't undo this without a backup. New clip saves the trimmed video as a new file, leaving the original untouched. Pick a name and location. You can also add tags or color into that file for better organization. Then once everything is set, you can now click Save. That's it. Your trimmed video is ready. There you go. Trimming a video on your Mac is as simple as a right-click and a few drags. Now you've got a perfectly clipped video without any extra software. If you want to explore more editing tricks or have other Mac questions, just ping me. Catch you later.